Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ray Goodster and I am back with another video, and it's been a whole long time actually. I haven't posted anything. It's been a long time I haven't posted anything, but still I got a very good topic for you guys. Actually it is for kids. Most of it is for parents who don't have any time for their kids to be more creative. So actually my brother said, why don't you post a video nowadays? I said I don't have time for all this because Myra is about to cross 2, and she is really doing me crazy all the stuff because I'm still messy, and I just wanted to make a video. I'm just goofing around. I just came to know about the idea, why don't I post a video being more creative. Not this is not an advertisement or anything of flintoclass at home. It is a very interesting topic for kids. Everybody wants to know what is flintoclass. So here I am with this video of flintoclass at home box. Actually I just got this box in a giveaway. Yes, I won this box in a giveaway, and it is really good box for kids. And I just want to tell you guys, this is really very creative. They select material, they select classes, sessions according to your kids' age. That is totally incredible. And Myra is about to complete 2, so she is a bit more curious about the shapes, colors, and I really want to let her know about the colors. So this box, everybody I used to ask what is in that box. So let me show you guys what's in that. So without wasting any time, let's get into the box. So basically this flintoclass box, for this flintoclass box you have to get subscription, but as I told you before that I have won this in giveaway, so this was free of cost for me. So here the first thing I got is this pre-scheduled. All the things are pre-scheduled. It is written day 1 to day 12. I have got these classes day 1 to day 11, and bonus bag with common materials which kids are going to use in these activities. In day 1 they are going to have 2 sessions, and all the details are written in this card actually. Safari session. So here is all the things about animal safari. The baby is gonna learn these all things, sensory and a lot more cognitive language, listening, and a lot things they are going to use in the sessions. These are already written here. They used to have the classes on the alternative days. My baby already had just one session, that is animals in the jungle. At first jungle that included dress, intimate, rhymes, and which enhances her vocabulary and sensory skill, because she had created and learned to how to make a tree and which animals are in the jungle. So that is very effective for her, and she came to learn about languages and how do lion do, how do snake or crocodile do, a lot of things. So this is very beneficial for your kids. And this is the whole package I got in the flintoclass, and I actually opened this before I make a video. So I'll show you what is inside. This was the first bag I got, and the session I have already I told you done this session. This was a wristband. I used to tie in my wrists like this, one in this hand, one in this hand. I used to play this jungle song. This was in my head like this, and it was really fun class. Yeah. And after that, this I have did all the scheduled classes. This is the very good part of flintoclass at home, that they have already written the days and sessions which you are going to do in the next session. So this is very good part. Day 2, day 3, day 4, and like this. They also have all the accessory and common material which are going to use in these all activities, and which I really appreciate. These are the common material which are, this is a gum, I guess, and the pouch include all the important stuff which are that means you don't have to get anything of your own. They will provide you all the necessary common materials which are going to use in this. Yeah, this is a very good idea. I just want to do it very eagerly. This is, I guess, elephant, I guess. This is a sock they provided, and eyes and ears, I guess. This is going to elephant. And this is animal sheet, booklet, sticker sheet, ears, animal safari, activity sheet booklet. See, your baby can learn colors, shapes, how to paint, numbers, and animals, and how to draw something, and alphabets, and a lot more in that. So how to you can fill the shapes. So here is the sticker sheet booklet in which you can get all the stickers you want to paste over here. Your kid can easily grab the stickers from here. You have to see, I have just done the session 1 over here, Animal Safari. So these are the stickers. Isn't it incredible? This is also good. This is actually a good schedule for your kid. See, lion, zebra, crocodile. How does crocodile do and all that things. This is the common material your baby have to know about all these things in pre-years. So if you want these things, you don't actually, no offenses, no issues to flintoclass or any organization. I just want to say that you can also make these things in your home. As I told you before, this is not a paid promotion or any kind of advertisement to anything. This is my personal blog, and I want to share with you something that I made a tree, which I'm going to show you after this video. Actually, Maida tried to make this tree, and if you want to let your baby do these type of things, you have to take the initiative, because this is very as you can see, there is a crocodile. You can also give your baby these kind of experiences at your home. You don't need to buy all these things. Actually, you can't make these things at your home. This is a snake, and you can also make this at home, man. Like, seriously, you have paint colors, you have scissors, you have paper. Just draw a snake on the paper and give it to your kid. He will paint. He can do paint. Nothing is impossible at home. And I will post a video, I guess, for very soon, how to make these kind of things. You have handles. You have a lot of handles on Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube. YouTube is the really huge source of creativity. So where you can grasp and nowadays kids are engaged on their video phones, and usually they used to see reels or YouTube. They make a lot of things watching YouTube. So why don't parents make a lot of things from YouTube? You can make this animal at home. What is in this? A road. Can't you make this road? This is a paper road, and this is a ये किसी के भी साथ मिल जाता है ये वाला रबर, और आप पेंट ही करना है. You can make this thing at home with paper and painted red. It's a tongue. Snake. Can't you make this snake at home? Just you need to tear it in the circles and periodic circles, and you can make this snake with eyes on it. If you don't have these eyes, pinhole eyes, you can make it with crayons, colors, sketch pens, any of these things. So it is not at all impossible to make these kind of things at home. You can also make these kind of things at home. It is not at all expensive. It's very cheap, so make these things at home. Please don't buy. I'm not saying don't buy these things. Do buy, it's very good for your kid. But if you can't afford these things, do make this thing at home, because a few people can't reach these things for their kids. It's very good. So here is the video I was to post about, instead of giving your kid a phone or engaging them into the phone, just give your baby pen and paper or sketch pen or colors, anything they want, so they can make more creative things. So it's time to say bye bye. No offenses to any of the organization or any social media handle, but this was just a video for which parents can't afford these things. And so it was a nice flintoclass box set. Hope you can buy this. I just told you that I won this box in a giveaway, so you can also have subscription boxes which included 3 months and for 1 to 3 months according to the pre-scheduled boxes. And it's a very engaging box. So bye bye for now, and I will make another video from which will be more creative for kids and for parents too.